So the AccuTite works just like everything we've talked about, but it's specifically designed for areas of the face. Can you use it on different areas? Of course, I use it all the time on this bra line. Use it all the time above the knees. But when it originally came out, it was designed for areas of the face. Now that I have Quantum, if you're trying to figure out where all this stuff lives, I specifically use AccuTite for the upper third, Quantum for everything else. Quantum is the next one we're talking about, so don't get, you're like, what is the Quantum? We haven't talked about it yet. So AccuTite is the upper third, periorbital area, lateral brow, maybe laser navel fold, because it's small. It's about the size of a 22-gauge cannula. The Quantum's too big for these areas. So in my hands, I'm kind of Quantum in the upper third of the face. Sorry, AccuTite in the upper third of the face, Quantum for the lower two-thirds. So let's talk about AccuTite right now. Use it in the periorbital region, lower lids, lateral brows, nasolabial folds. There's a lateral brow. And it works just like your face type, just like your body type. In-block bulk heating. Everything between the internal and external electrode gets heated. Everything in between with radio frequency. Now, in my hands, this would be a simple Quantum, which we're going to show you at the end of this block. This is an isolated jowl. The problem with this is because there is so much energy being laid down. Remember, it's bulk heating. Everything in between the two electrodes is being heated. I need to go back and liposuction this now. I've melted so much fat, I can't leave all that fat. So I got to go back and lipo. The Quantum's different, and we'll show you how it's different. So now I got to go back and lipo this, or lipo the submental. This is an illustration. Just because you could doesn't mean you should, but you could. If you wanted to, use this tiny little 22-gauge cannula for this bra line roll, but it's going to take you 17 hours to get that done. I'm going to use my body type, be done in about 10 minutes. But you can use this AccuTite anywhere you want. This is AccuTite of the brows. Look at the supratarsal fold, because she's blonde. It's hard to see on the projector. But when you look at this supratarsal fold. This is after. Look at before. Look at the improvement or the elevation or the lift that we got with that AccuTite in the upper third. Now, these were some, before Quantums, these were some submentals with a spot treatment of lipo. I just used a little fat harvesting cannula of the submental fat pad. It's way better than anything else you can use. Cool Sculpt Mini. I'm not here to bash anyone else, but I'm just, the other alternatives in this space would be Cool Sculpt Mini, Kybella. I just use a little straight lidocaine, or with, lidocaine with, 2 or 3, 4 cc's, AccuTite, and then I use a fat harvesting cannula on a 10 cc syringe. I don't even get out liposuction equipment. I just use a 10 cc syringe, a little bit, 2 cc's of fat out there, and you just get the most amazing results ever. Like, this is right in front of you guys with a little spot treatment of lipo. This is the next day.